my last early work morning till next year. Oh, do you know, tomorrow morning I better wake up at like 7 o'clock, bing, wide awake. It's always the way, isn't it? But yeah, I'm glad to be winding down for Christmas. Today's Mash Up Day as well, so that's an extra bonus. I'm thinking I might try and get ahead of the game because this, if you've been around for a while, or at least this year, you'll know this is a new fridge. Incidentally, there's a dent in my door already. I'm so cross. Everybody's denying knowledge of it. But yeah, this fridge, even though dimension-wise it's the same size as the Samsung, this one is an LG. The fridge capacity is much bigger. So I'm thinking I might get ahead of the game and go and buy, or try and buy, a turkey this afternoon, because normally I do one of two things. Either I just buy a tiny one that they have in that Albert Heijn, and it will just about feed a family of four, but there'll be no turkey curry on Boxing Day. But last year we went to the big, so they have, like, if you're in the UK, I imagine the States is the same, or wherever you are, in the Netherlands, they have like a regular Albert Heijn, which is like a Tesco or Target. And then they have like an XL version or a Metro version. So last year, sorry, I've got the TV on in the background. Last year, we went to an Albert Heijn XL and I got the last turkey in the store. Ooh, so it was a bit panicky. So I'm thinking, oh yeah, and then the other thing I do, which is leading me on to my plan, the other thing I do is we've got in the next town, Amstelveen, we've got a really nice poulier, which is basically a poultry and game butcher. It's very nice, and it's award winning, and you know, it's I've never had anything bad from there. So if I've got more than the four of us, then I pre-order a turkey from them, and then I go on Christmas Eve and pick it up. Usually you're queuing down the street for that. So I'm thinking, I don't know if I fancy doing that. So I'm thinking, because my fridge the capacity is much bigger and I've not done a big shop, I'm thinking I might get ahead of the game and go to the poulier this afternoon when I finish work and see if I can buy a turkey from there, because I haven't ordered one, but I'm sure, what is it, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, 3 days before Christmas, they should be still quite well stocked. So that's what I'm thinking I might do. The only thing is parking's a nightmare there, so I might ask Lawrence to run me in and then he can double park, and then yeah, we'll see. And they do nice, they have goose fat there as well, which I like to do my roast potatoes in. Anyway, the reason the TV is on in the background, Lawrence is taken Joshua to work. He's got a job now, although he's on training days. William's in bed, so the TV doesn't need to be on because I'm going upstairs now to the very messy craft room. But what caught my attention just before I turned it off, we was planning to go and see The Matrix at the movies over the Christmas break. Obviously that isn't happening because they're closed now, but we've been watching, me, William and Lawrence, we've watched the 3 Matrix, so we're really up to date with the story so far. So as I was walking through, I was just about to turn it off, and then I was like, oh, Keanu Reeves was on the BBC News this morning, so I was trying to listen what he had to say. Nothing that I haven't heard on all the chat shows already. Anyway, right, I've got my coffee in my Christmas mug. Hopefully it's a nice wound day kind of day. I've got a nice long to-do list, and if I can tick 3 things off it, I'll already feel very happy. I will catch you later. Just got back. We drove to the meat place, the turkey place, and there was queuing out the door. So it's freezing. It's -2 today, so I said no, not doing it. I think it would have been a 45-minute queue. So either we're going to try early in the morning. I'm at physio tomorrow, and then straight after that I'm going to do our Christmas grocery shopping with Natalie. Natalie's coming here for Christmas Day with the family. So yeah, I need to have a little think. I'm not stressed though. So I'm just going to console myself with a mince pie, one of mine. It's really, really deep filled. I don't know if I told you. I went online. We was going to go to this expat shop in Wassenaar to stock up on Christmas stuff, and I just thought, oh, let me have a look online at the range that they've got. Sold out, everything. So yeah, it's not going to be a traditional English Christmas this year. No crackers, no stuffing, no Christmas pudding. It is what it is. I have to make the most of it. I am going to spend the afternoon catching up on podcast or Vlogmas, and can't open it, in my big bag from Jeanette I have got my shawl, close to you shawl that I'm knitting. It's all a mess. I went really wrong with this because I memorised the pattern. I stopped following it ages ago. And then I saw other pictures on Instagram and I was like, mine doesn't look like that. I have no idea how I've done it, but I've managed to increase it astronomically. I'll show you. I finally dug the pattern out and I was like, oh, don't know how I've done this. But anyway, I'm going to call it a happy accident. It's a design feature. So if you look, this is how it's supposed to look. This little, these eyelets. Mine just keeps growing and growing and growing and growing. Look how big that is. So I'm trying to sort of gradually decrease it. I don't care. I think it's nice, actually. It'll all block out to a nice sort of fan shape. This is the bit that's going to go around my neck. I like the fade I've done. But yeah. No idea what I've done. No idea. I'm sure it'll look nice when it's wrapped around me. So anyway, it's fine. I've got a few more left. Might even throw in some from the Green Lampkin Advent. Oh, that skein's come undone. But I've still got these left for my fade that I'm putting in. So that's, yeah, it's a skein. I think. Oh, they're 10 grams. Yeah, they're 10 gram, 20 gram minis, are they? I can't remember. I don't know. It's been a long day. It's been a long week. Right, I'm going to eat my mince pie and I'm gonna knit and just chill out for the day before the madness break comes on tomorrow with the shopping.